So I kind of have to deal with an unforeseen issue that we seen a little while back, is if the door is all the way open and you go to close this door, they would hit. There would be contact here. So you can kind of see, you know, this door would come in contact with this door. So what I want to do is make it to where this door won't open as, you know, this door, this door, this door is the only ones we have to do it to. But that if the door is open and you try to close this one, they won't hit. So I have to make some sort of like a check. Like most cars will have a door check. These ones, originally they were kind of built into the hinge and they have like a stopper right there. But as you can see right here, we're a long ways from that, from stopping it, you know. And this one would need to go all the way there before it would stop, and we need to be stopped somewhere back in here. Kind of sucks, but it's still, you know, plenty far open, so it's not going to really affect anything, but just a little bit of a bummer. My initial thought was just like get the Jeep, kind of like the Jeep or the old Internationals or something. They had a cloth one that had a bracket that would bolt here and bolt here, but to make it even cleaner, I just need a, like if I had a bolt right inside there that would stop that hinge, you know, that would be a lot cleaner, and you wouldn't even be able to notice that we even did anything.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill the hinge and tap it. I got my little tappy tap. And then it'll go, the screw will come in here and it'll hit that corner there. And I can put a little rubber nib on it, and that'll also kind of give me adjustment. I can screw it in and out to kind of make it stop at the right spot, and each one might be a little bit different. It's kind of hard to find a long screw like this that the threads go all the way up. Usually they have a collar, you know, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Hopefully this will just be long enough. So the angle is really important. I think we need to be something like that, so that angle of approach actually stops it, not just kind of brushing by it. So kind of go straight with the hinge there. There's plenty of meat on this hinge. I'm not really worried about drilling through it, and we might even countersink it so that top can kind of go in there, but give it a try here.
Wish there was something I could say hasn't been said before. I feel like a broken record staring at the floor. But I ain't got a clue just how to make it work with you. So I wonder, does this mean that we're through? What now, are we through? What now, are we through? What now, are we through? Days go by without a word said, that's how we get along. One of these days, I'm afraid I'll go off just like a bomb. But I ain't got a clue, just
Well, it's working, but when I go to close the door, it's hitting right there, the top hit of the bolt. So I just need to make this countersink a little better so I can get that in there, and then I might have to use a shorter bolt to cut one of these down, but it should be okay. Well, kind of a long day on between everything else and these door stops, so I got them all done. It's just a little screw, and it's threaded through the hinge, and it has a little rubber stop that stops that door from going any further. And it makes it to where it still opens up pretty good, but now you don't have to worry about who's got what door open, because it's gonna happen. Like if we were to leave it, you know, say just tell all the kids, you know, make sure one door is closed before the other opens, they're gonna hit. So now they have the stops so they can't hit. But I broke a tap in this one, and it took 2 hours to get that tap out of there. So productive day, I don't know. I'm gonna be probably taking a couple hours off of his tab just because in a shitty situation.
all it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.